Hello everyone. Today we will complete the installation and wiring of the Dual Rapid Shutdown Device, RSD, and Shutdown Controller. Before installation, confirm your installation method and prepare required accessories and materials. The shutdown device installation position should be properly planned to ensure that the cables between the shutdown device and PV modules and between adjacent shutdown device can be properly connected. After determining the installation location, remove the SN label from the shutdown device and stick it on the physical layout template. The shutdown device supports multiple installation schemes. Select an appropriate installation scheme based on the actual situation. After selecting the back clips, you need to mount the back clips on the back of the shutdown device. Place the back clips in the proper position of the panel frame and place the shutdown device. After selecting the back plane, you need to mount the back plane on the back of the shutdown device. Place the T-bolt into the proper position of the C-steel, place the shutdown device, and tighten the shutdown device. Place the T-bolt in the proper position of the T-steel, place the shutdown device, and tighten the shutdown device. Place the T-bolt into the mounting hole of the PV module frame. Place the shutdown device and tighten the shutdown device. The shutdown controller, Beetrans-Max, supports multiple installation schemes. Select an appropriate installation scheme based on the actual situation. Place the Beetrans-Max at the proper position of the C-steel, insert the bolts and nuts, and tighten them. Place the Beetrans-Max at the proper position of the T-steel, insert the bolts and nuts, and tighten them. Place the Beetrans-Max at the installation hole on the wall, insert the bolts and nuts, and tighten them. RSD connects to PV panels. Use the multimetter's positive probe to connect RSD output's positive terminal and the negative probe to connect the output's negative terminal to check the voltage resistance of a single RSD output. After connecting the input terminals of all modules in the string to shutdown device, please check and confirm that everything is correct before connecting the output terminals, connecting the negative output terminal of the first shutdown device to the positive output terminal of the next shutdown device, and so on. When there is sufficient sunlight, measure the voltage of the photovoltaic string. The output negative or positive pole of the string passes through the shutdown controller magnetic ring and then connects to the input of the inverter. Multiple strings need to have the same positive or negative pole of the string. Pass through the magnetic ring uniformly.